problem number 6, where we are wanting to solve using substitution. So using substitution, we know the whole goal is we want to get either x or y by itself in either equation that they're given us. So in this case, it looks like the x is the easiest one to get by itself because there's no number, no coefficient in front of the x. So let's go ahead and get the x by itself in that equation. How am I going to get x by itself when I have x plus 7y equals 0? Well, it's easy. I'm going to subtract 7y from each side. So I know that x equals negative 7y. I don't need to put the 0 down there because I know anything being added to 0 or subtracting anything from 0 is not going to change it. So I know that x is the same thing as negative 7y. If I know that, what I can do is I can take x out of the other equation that I did not use, so the second equation in this case. I can replace x with negative 7y. And what that'll allow me to do is I'll take 2x, so x is now negative 7y minus 8y equals 22. And what that will allow me to do is have an equation with just y in it, so I can now solve for y. So all I have to do from this point on is solve. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. And then now I combine like terms. Negative 14 and negative 8 gives me negative 22y. And if I divide both sides by negative 22, I'm going to get y equals negative 1. So the y in this case is negative 1. Well, I already have an equation for x. We have already figured that out. So all I have to do now is take what y equals. And this, so we know y equals, we said it equals negative 1. And then just simplify to get x. So negative 7 times negative 1 gives me positive 7. So I know my x is 7, and that is the solution for problem number 6.